Alright guys, today I am going to be ranking the 5 most popular and most common exercises for your abs from a purely bodybuilding standpoint. So without any delay, let's get started with the first exercise that is going to be the rank number 5. It is going to be the plank. One of the most popular and most useless exercises for your abs. See guys, every exercise has 3 types of movements in it. Concentric is when you contract the muscle. Eccentric is when you elongate the muscle, and isometric is when you hold the muscle in one place. Out of all these movements, isometric contributes the least for hypertrophy. And because planks are a type of isometric, it is much less effective as compared to other exercises. Moving on to rank number 4, it is the ab roller. Amazing exercise which provides a substantial amount of tension on the abs in their lengthened state. However, this exercise may seem uncomfortable for some people due to excess tension on the lower back, elbows and lats. This is why it has a much high risk of injury. Plus, beginners may find it very hard to do it, not because their abs are weak, but because they aren't able to handle the body weight in that position. At rank number 3 is going to be machine crunches or cable crunches. A perfect resistance path for the abs since it provides constant tension all throughout the movement. But because both of these exercises don't put your abs in their completely lengthened state, they both sit on rank number 3. Moving on to rank number 2, it is the bench leg raises. A very good exercise because it is a leg movement rather than an upper body movement like the other exercises. Highly recommend beginners to start with this exercise. Lower the bench, the easier it is. This means to progressively overload, gradually increase the slope. At the start, bend your knees and focus on lifting your hips off the bench, and as you get stronger, keep your knees as straight as possible. Do not underestimate this exercise guys, even I find it really hard to do it yet. And finally, moving on to rank number 1, it is going to be the hanging leg raises. Arguably the best exercise for your abs since there's a greater range of motion available for your legs. Mainly targets the lower abs which are usually harder to make visible as compared to the upper 2 set of abs. The only limiting factor is your grip strength, which can be solved by using wrist straps. Focus on bending your spine and elevating your hips, and if you find it hard, start with knee raises first and then gradually move on to straightening your legs. And last but not the least guys, it doesn't matter how much you train your abs, if your body fat percentage is high, they are just not going to be visible. I have already made a couple of videos for fat loss which I will leave a link in the description for you to watch. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, follow my Instagram with the link in the description. I always engage and reply to every single comment or DM I get. So if you ever want to get in touch with me, that will be the right place to go. So that's it for this video. Subscribe for more such content and I will see you in the next one.